Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, my name is Lauren, and today I'm just doing this beautiful eyeshadow look today. I'm using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. Oh gosh. This is what it looks like. Absolutely beautiful. One of my absolute favorite palettes in my collection, even though I have not gotten to use it all that much. I didn't film this part, but for my bronzer, I used the Nomad and Sydney Bathers palette, this palette right here. And then I just took the shade Manly Beach right here. And for blush, I use my all-time favorite blush. I think this is Mayel, I think is the name. This is the Sun Kissed blush. Absolutely gorgeous, especially for spring and summer. It is chef's kiss, beautiful. And then I put on like the tiniest bit of highlighter, because really with that blush you don't even need highlighter, but I just use the tiniest bit. This is the Ciate London Moon Dust highlighter. This is a really pretty highlighter, also really sparkly if you are into sparkly highlighters. But that is it for the intro. Keep it short and sweet, and then if you want to see how I created this eye look, then just keep on watching and I'll get right into it. Okay, so I am first going in with this shade right here called Off Balance. Maybe you can see that. If not, I will definitely do something. Okay, so I'm taking that on this Elizabeth Mott tapered blending brush. This is just what it looks like. Just a simple blending brush. And then taking that all just kind of in my crease and outer corner. You can definitely start off with a lighter shade if needed to. That Libra shade you could definitely take with this, or even Crash or Momentum, one of those more brownish shades. But like I'm taking this more in my crease and then blending upwards, just kind of blending it out, making it fade into my skin, I guess, a little bit. And then I really like this shade. It builds up really nicely. We're gonna take some more of that and just add more in the outer corner and just more in the crease area, not blending it up as much, and just kind of building up that color a little bit. Next, I'm taking this shade right here called Hot Mess, and then I'm using this Lavish tapered blending brush. It's just a really small blending brush, I guess. Brushes like this are really good for the outer, for like really getting in the outer corner and right in the crease. It gets in there so much better. So we're taking that shade Hot Mess. And the tip of this brush is already pink, so I haven't just really used a lot of pink in this brush. That's just the color of the tip of it. And then just patting that all in the outer corner and in the, just really in the crease. I'm not bringing it up. I'm just putting that really in the crease of the outer corner. Going back in with the first brush we took, the taper blending brush, this one right here. I'm going to just kind of blend the edges just a little bit. Next, I'm going to deepen this up a little bit more using, I guess, the darkest shade in the palette, Vortex, right here. And I am using, let's see, the name's kind of rubbed off, but it's just kind of like a kind of flat brush, but it's a little bit fluffy on the tip. And I'm just going to barely dip into that and put it right on like my outer lash line, really. I'm not even going all the way, just all over the corner, just mainly on the lash line. And just blending a little bit. And then I'm going to take the brush we used right before this and then just kind of use that to help blend a little bit. Now I'm going to take this shade right here called Galaxy, and I'm just going to take that on my finger. And I'm going to take that almost all the way to the inner corner, but not quite. I'm going to leave just a little bit of space there. And you could cut your crease if you wanted to. I'm not. I think this does just fine without cutting my crease. But if you really wanted it like really more defined, you definitely could. And then on that last little bit on the inner corner, I'm going to take this shade right here called Cosmic. And then that is going to fill up that little space we left. And then just kind of going a little bit into the Galaxy shade. Just kind of filling that in and putting it on top a little bit. And then we're going to take this brush again and just use that to kind of blend right here. Okay, and now I am going to take this shade right here called Supermoon, and I'm taking it just on this little tiny flat brush. Might be a little hard to see, but that is going to be our inner corner shade. So just take that, pop it all in the inner corner. And then I am bringing it just a little bit onto the lower lash line, just on the first little part. I got a little bit of fallout, but I will fix that. Okay, I'm going to clean this up and then I'm going to add on my mascara. I'm just using the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara, and then I will be right back. Alright guys, this is the final look. I just did my lashes and I threw on some lip gloss. I used the Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Birthday Suit. I'm not sure if you can see, but it has like a lot of really just like tiny sparkles in it. I don't know. But thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!